Do you know that you can add in some green peas to your noodles and make some delicious lunch or dinner? Try out this recipe. Because I've prepped up my fresh ingredients for this vegetable noodle stir fry recipe, I'm going to get straight into cooking. So I'm going to pick a pan and place over medium-high flame. Add in cooking oil, and on another burner, I'm going to place a pot with water, 2 cups of water for my noodles. Once your oil is hot, you're going to add in your onions and carrots, and using your spatula, you're going to stir in the carrots and onions into the cooking oil, and then let the onions cook together with the carrots for around a minute. The reason I'm starting with carrots is because they take a while to cook, and the recipe is very fast. For this recipe also, I'm going to be using parboiled peas, which are ready for my stir fry recipe. Check on my pot. My water is almost coming to a boil. And my carrots are starting to soften up. So I'm going to give the carrots another 30 seconds to 1 minute to soften up completely. Then I'm going to add in some crushed garlic and ginger to my pan, which is going to add in lots of flavor to our noodles recipe. So you're going to saute for around 30 seconds together with the onions and carrots until the garlic is fragrant and yeah, very flavorful. So the kitchen is going to, there'll be a very nice aroma in the kitchen from frying the garlic and ginger. My water has come to a boil. So I'm going to add in my noodles and cook for around 2 minutes. I'm going to add in some black pepper to season my noodles. Add in 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, a tablespoon of oyster sauce, my peas, check on my noodles, and they're perfectly cooking. Check on my pan, and the vegetables are looking very delicious. The soy sauce and oyster sauce are going to add in a very nice umami taste to our noodles. Wow, this looks very mouth-watering already. The best part about the recipe is that you can add in any vegetables that you have in your fridge. Today I chose to add in some carrots and green peas, which are going to add in some color and also make the noodle stir fry very delicious. Check on my noodles. Perfectly cooking. After 2 minutes, you're going to transfer in your noodles into the pan. What's that? Toss the noodles together with the veggies. Just look at that. And to fully season my noodles, I'm going to be adding in the packaged seasoning that comes with the noodles together with the spicy seasoning. Yeah, so good. I'm always excited when it comes to noodles recipes because they come together very quick. You're going to add in some of the water that you used to boil your noodles. Then you're going to cook for another minute so that the noodles can absorb in the seasoning. And wow, just look how delish the noodles look like. Once your noodles are ready, you're going to put out the flames and serve yourself this delicious vegetable noodle stir fry recipe. So carefully, I'm going to place in my noodles in my plate or in my bowl. Yeah, it's a bowl. When it comes to vegetables in your noodles, you can add in any veggies, and this perfect dish has turned out amazing, delicious, and very filling.